To make a circle, you can click on Home tab Draw panel on this circle icon. With AutoCAD, you can make 6 different kinds of circles indicated by this drop down menu. You can also use shortcut for circle, which is C or CIRCLE circle. You can use any of these shortcuts to start circle command. I will start circle command from this panel. So click on center radius circle. Now look at the command line. This command line is prompting you to specify center point of circle. To specify center point of circle, you can click anywhere on a screen, or you can specify it with coordinate values. Currently I am specifying it by clicking on screen. Let's click here. This makes the center. Now move your cursor and you'll see that with cursor your circle follows. Now enter the length of radius. I'm entering a length of 40 units for radius and press enter. And here we have a circle with 40 units as its radius. Now let's go to second circle, which is center and diameter. Now again specify the center point, and this time instead of prompting for radius, this will prompt you to specify diameter of a circle. So now let's enter 40 again and press enter. But this time 40 unit is total diameter, so the radius of circle is 20 units only, and the circle is comparatively shorter than the previous one. You can also go to this circle using center radius circle. So select center radius circle, click on a screen, and now here on command line you will see diameter. You can type D and press enter, or you can click here to go to diameter. And now enter the diameter. In this case I am entering a diameter of 60 units and press enter. And here we have a circle with diameter 60 units. Now let's erase these 3 circles. We have some other options for circle as well. The next option is 2-point circle. For making a 2-point circle, you need to specify 2 points. So here's the first point and here's the second point. Now click on this first point and now click on the second point. And now this circle will be formed passing through these 2 points. Let's select the next one, which is 3-point circle. In case of 3-point circle, you need to specify 3 different points, and the circle will pass through those 3 points. So I've selected these 2 and the third point, and the circle will pass through all the 3 points. In this case, you need to specify 2 tangent values and 1 radius. So let's click here. Now click on this line, anywhere on this line, and click anywhere on this line. So these 2 lines will act as tangent for the circle. Now enter a radius. I'm entering a radius of 50 units and press enter. This makes a circle of 50 units radius, and it is tangent to these 2 lines. Let's select the last one, which is right tangent or tangent tangent tangent. In this case, a circle will be formed which is tangent to 3 different geometries. In this case, these 3 lines. Let's click on these 3 lines, and it will make a circle which passes through all these 3 points touching at single point, or a circle which is tangent to these 3 lines.